Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Okta application assignments after accidental edits step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section in the left-hand menu. Locate and select the application that had its assignments accidentally edited. Click on the Assignments tab to view current user and group assignments. Take note of the current assignments for future reference. If changes were made recently, consider checking if there are any audit events available. Access the system log from the dashboard to review recent activity related to application assignments. Identify the specific changes that occurred and make a list of users or groups affected. If necessary, reach out to your IT department for backup policies related to past application assignments. Prepare to restore the assignments by referencing the previous assignments noted earlier. Click on the Manage Assignments option for the selected application. Begin re-adding users or groups that were removed due to the accidental edits. Use the Assign button to add individuals or groups one by one. Verify that each user or group is correctly assigned to the application. Once all necessary assignments are restored, double-check to ensure accuracy. Consider documenting the current assignments for future reference. Review any notifications to ensure all changes are reflected in user access. Finally, log out of the Okta admin dashboard when all steps are completed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.